Hi, I'm Carmen. This is how you brew a perfect coffee on the go with an Aeropress. Here's what you need. An Aeropress, a grinder, a weighing scale, a cup or mug, and something to stir with. This recipe produces a mug of delicious coffee that you can enjoy with a dash of hot milk. Today, I'll be brewing Hartman Estate Black Winey. First step, weigh 15 grams of coffee and grind it medium fine. Next, unscrew the cap of the Aeropress, put in a paper filter and rinse through with hot water. Place the setup on the scale and press 0. Dose your chamber. Make sure the brewing chamber is stable enough to press down on. 0 your scale. Start your timer and pour hot water into the chamber at 92 degrees Celsius. Stop completely at about 220 grams of water. Stir your slurry 3 times. Now, place your plunger gently to the mouth of the chamber. This is to prevent the hot water from draining through the filter too early. After 2 minutes, it's time to plunge. This should take around 20 to 30 seconds. Stop completely if you hear an evil hissing noise. That is the sound of grounds being forced through the cap and it will lead to bitterness. While we enjoy this beautiful cup of coffee, check out this pro tip. Some people like to flip the Aeropress and pour water in from the filter end. This inverted bloom makes sure the water doesn't leak through the filter. Inverting the Aeropress makes it behave a little bit like the French press, so you end up with a little bit more body. Downsides are, you may wake up with a beard living in San Francisco. Happy brewing! See you next time.